Guys, all right, we got another big winner. Rara Coco Private Discord. We got another big winner, and the ticker symbol is a VOS. We are at 173% right now. VVOS. Okay, VVOS. Let's take a look at what's going on with the VVOS. What is the news? Stand by, guys. Let me check. Okay, let's do a timestamp also. Timestamp right now is 06:35 a.m. August 8th, 2023. What is going on with the VVOS? Stand by, guys. I'm checking. So at this time, there is no news yet. At this time, there is no news. But this stock, I've been watching this stock for a very long time. Okay. So it's at 179% right now, 179%. It keeps going up. This is going to happen possibly all day, guys. Guys, if you like this kind of update, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Or if you want to get an early alert directly on your cell phone, um, if you want to get an early alert directly on your cell phone, subscribe to my private Discord, guys. So hold on a second. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna send an alert on the Twitter. Okay, let me send an alert on Twitter and let everybody know what is going on with this stock. Stand by. Sending an alert. Bear with me. Let us notify everybody with regards to the VVOS. The VVOS. 70, 168%. And after this, I'm gonna show you the update, and we're gonna try to find the news. Okay, we're gonna try to find the news, and we're going to put the ticker symbol VVOS. We're gonna tweet it. Let everybody know. Let's put the timestamp. Right now is 6:38, 6:38 a.m. And right now is August 8th. And I will show you my start point of my alert yesterday. Okay. So you guys gotta be surprised the start price when I send this alert. It's really low. So people are making lots and lots. People that I alerted already made 100% on this one. Okay. Stand by. Let's see. What's this one, that one, and that one. Can we do that? All right. Yep, we got that. We got that. We got that. Okay. So I'm gonna we're gonna go to my Twitter. All right, and I'm going to let you know that it's not there yet. Okay, it's not there yet, right? Well, I did send an alert about the next 3,000 gains. So watch that video, guys. You want to watch that video, the next 3,000 gains. So I'm gonna post it. Okay, I send the tweet, and we're gonna do an update. Let's take a look. See if we're going to do an update. Let's do a refresh. And Let's do it like this, transition. So we do a refresh, we did the refresh. Okay. So I send an alert of a VVOS, okay, 9:47 p.m. yesterday, right? It's not a recommendation. I said there, VVOS ready for continuation, kaboom, starts at 3 a.m. Stamp, blah, 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 blah. Okay, one great news, stock rockets, kaboom, okay? I said one great news because I can't find any news. This stock will rocket, okay? It's 0.3731. Take a look, guys. It went up to 72.41%. 72.41%. Now let's take a look at how big this one went up. Let's take a look. How big this one really went up. All right, I'm gonna show you guys that this stock went up to 0.77 cents. That is huge. That is humongous. Here it is. Open it up. Okay, here it is. Here it is, guys. The stock went up. The stock went up. The stock went up 0.777. Oh man, that is really lucky, right? 7777. Okay, guys. Guys, if you like this kind of update, you can literally you can literally you can literally subscribe to my private Discord. Okay, to my private Discord, and you will get this kind of alert super fast, super quick, directly on your cell phone. I repeat, you can get my alerts directly on your cell phone. The stocks that I've been looking, I've been searching, that fits on my Kaboom formula. Okay, fits on my Kaboom formula. So VVOS right now is Kaboom, Kaboom, Shakalaka, Boom. All right, guys, may you have love, peace, prosperity, and good health be with you all. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Please hit the notification button. If you want to know my private Discord, you want to go to raracoco.com, go to pricing, and if you want to get my alert, you want to choose educational alert. Okay, you want to use educational alert. I don't make any recommendation. I don't do anything like that. I don't ask you to buy, hold, or sell. You have to do your own due diligence. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.